guys, you can see right here the recent withdrawal. If you are still using Pesatube, you gotta watch this video. This video is very important, especially if you are on Pesatube. I've been posting videos about Pesatube like since March. I have like about 3 or maybe 4 videos where I was talking about Pesatube, guys. So this video is very important. Please make sure you watch this video until the end, step by step, if you're still on Pesatube. And I hope this will be my last video about Pesatube, guys. So before I start, I just want to say shout out to Lala here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. If you also want a shout out, please make sure you like my video and make sure you subscribe
to my channel. Subscribe to my channel.
You see, right, you can see right here I have like 46 referrals and I earn like 8.6 and have like 146 clicks. So guys, so this video was just gonna wrap it up about wrap it up about this Pesatube, guys. So if you are still using Pesatube, you gotta stop doing that, because there is no way that you're gonna get your money. You are wasting your time. You will never get your money. You can even see right there at the top, they even change the URL, right? The URL before was Pesatube, so now they changed the URL, but they're still using the same name. So if you are using Pesatube, just know you will never get your money. Please guys, please stop using Pesatube, because you are wasting your time, you are wasting your data. You will never get your money. If you see people online are saying like they got money from Pesatube, they are lying. Those people, they are lying. There's no way that you can get money on Pesatube. Let me show you guys. You can see right here the recent withdrawal, right? This was around 3 a.m. no 7, you can see 7/4/2025. so if you're still on using Pesatube, you will never get your money. This is approved, but I never got my money. You can even check other people out there on my other videos. They've been commenting, I'm still waiting for my money, You will never get your money. And what's so sad about this, some people are still like, oh, we're still waiting for our money. Is this real, guys? Pesatube is not real. This is like a scam website, guys. This is like a scam website. Even right now, I can just click right here. Let me even submit my bank details again to just to show you guys that you will never get your money. Even if you can just say, okay, you want to withdraw available, I want to withdraw the whole amount, right?
6.20.
Let's say I want to withdraw 6.2 and I say okay, and then you confirm. Just like that, guys, it's gonna go right here on pending, but still they're just gonna approve it, but you will never get your money, guys. You will never get your money, guys. So if you're using Pesatube, please stop, please stop, because you are wasting your time. There are other legit websites that you can use and apps to make real money, like this one right here. Please guys, check my other videos. There are still websites that you can use to make real money and get that money. And even for other videos, I have videos where I'm like I was talking about how to get free airtime, right guys? So check these other videos right here if you want to get free money or free airtime by just completing task, right? Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure you share it out with your friends and family. Tell them to stop using Pesatube because they're wasting their time.